We've never discussed this application before, but it has the potential to earn you over $600 for free. This app is free to download and install on both iOS and Android devices. I'm going to show you 3 separate apps in this video, and the first 2 apps have nothing to do with the third app. The first 2 apps will pay you simply for downloading them. With those 3 apps, you can maximize your performance and earn as much money as possible. So the first 2 applications will simply assist you in earning some passive income for free because, as I previously stated, we only need to install them. So I'm going to show you these 2 applications, and then I'm going to show you a third app that we've never discussed before, but it will pay you $600 for free. Now we'll go inside the app so that I can explain everything. But before I show you the app that will actually pay you, I'd like to show you some other applications. So in this video, I'll show you 3 different apps. The first one I'll show you is a couple of different apps that will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them and leave them alone, and then you can concentrate on the last app I'm about to show you, where we can earn over $600, but you'll have these 2 apps making a passive income for free. Yes, you heard that right. The first 2 applications will pay you to do nothing if you install them. Then I'll show you the third app, which will pay you $600 for nothing. This third app is something we've never talked about before, and it's something super amazing, as they said, and we've never mentioned it on this channel before, so it's going to be amazing. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you something as a gift, so make sure to stick around until the end. This is the first app that we're going to use. This is their official website, but we'll just download the app straight to our phones. Essentially, this is a free app that allows you to make money online automatically by getting SMS generated by the system and customers. All you have to do now is download it to your smartphone. Create an account and it will send you some random SMS messages that you don't have to respond to because they have no meaning. It'll just be a bunch of random numbers and letters, and you can delete them as soon as you get them, but you'll still get paid for each SMS you receive. As a result, you won't have to do any work. All you have to do is passively receive SMS. You don't have to do anything but sign up for this app, and that's all you have to do. Every day they'll send you fresh text messages and you'll be paid for each one like they promised. So, in general, you can come and work here and learn more about how it works. But this one is only for Android users. However, keep an eye out since the next apps will work properly on both iOS and Android. But this one will only work on Android. So, if you have an iOS smartphone, it will not work. Now, their software doesn't access any of your data, so they won't snoop around your private messages or use any other information. Instead, they'll read only their own text SMS, which means they won't steal information or read your private messages, and it's safe. I did some research on this app and people are loving about how much money they're making with it and how the system works because, as you can see, you can earn money with the app passively without taking any active actions on your part. And they also have a really nice recurring program where you can earn 30% of your referrals' earnings. So, if you refer a friend to this app or website and they sign up, they start making money. If they make $100, you can get $30 for free passively. You'll be making passive income from tabs from themselves for the rest of your life. There are a lot of various methods to create passive income with the Money SMS app, and it's completely free. You won't have to pay anything, and you can discover more about how it works here. So basically, sign up, receive automatic text messages, and be paid. These are some screenshots and how it appears inside the dashboard. This is how it'll look like. And this is the referral code that you can share with your friends and family. You can also share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Simply inform them that they can earn passive income from that app and then send them your referral link. You may still earn passive income from your referrals, which is a great feature of this app. If you're not sure whether this is a scam or not, you can examine the proof of payments for many people on an independent website and those business reviews to discover if this is a scam or not. By the way, the website was called Money SMS App, or this website, moneysmsapp.com. Cash Magnet or cashmagnetapp.com is the next step you may take to earn some free passive income. You'll download it on your Android device. It too is only accessible for Android. However, keep an eye out for the last app which will pay you and will be available for both iOS and Android. At the end, I'll offer you something for free, so make sure you watch the whole video. In short, you can earn money from your Android phone, and they pay you for every minute you spend doing nothing. As you can see, you don't need to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all of the greatest reward programs you want to participate in. Thus, this one will pay you significantly more than the Money SMS app. And we're kind of going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying app, so you can read more about it. You don't have to do anything, so watch commercials or play games to get money, and it's completely passive and autonomous. You can literally be sleeping or doing something else, such as having lunch, going outside to drink water, or reading the news. Whatever you do on a daily basis, you will still be paid just for installing this app and leaving your smartphone out there. So, get ready to earn several times more in only 3 months of using the Cash Magnet, and you'll be able to buy a brand new phone that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thousands of their happy customers do it this way. You can buy a brand new phone right now. After 3 months of use, you can rest assured that your data and personal settings will not be exploited in any way, allowing you to earn money without doing anything. You may learn about what a Cash Magnet is by clicking here. While you're not using the phone, you can earn money as an Android app developer. So you can just leave your phone up there with the app installed and earn money passively. If you don't want to install it on your main phone for whatever reason, you can install it on an old spare phone you may have. Now, with that said, the third app that we're going to use is this one right here, which I'll give you the name of in a second. But yes, this one will pay you $600, so you can earn up to $600 in a year just by listening to music. So all you have to do is download it on either iOS or Android, which is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store. Every user is happy, which is fantastic, and there will be no complaints in the comments about it only working on Android or iOS. This one benefits both parties, and you'll be paid simply for listening to music. All you have to do is download the app, listen to music, and earn more points the more you play. The more music you listen to, the more money you'll earn. So basically, you can get paid to listen to music in your spare time. Simply search and play from hundreds of thousands of radio stations to pick your favorite music and listen to it while getting paid. You don't have to listen to some random rapper from SoundCloud that you don't like. Instead, you can listen to music you like and still be paid for it. I mean, obviously, you guys already listen to a lot of music every day. Well, now you can get paid for doing that. And you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, spending your points on your favorite brands, and much more. As you can see, this app is available in many countries on this list, and you can download it to your smartphone and start earning money. The app is called Current, and this is the website of the app, current.us.